me show you the hair I made for 2,500 naira. See, if you no get money and you want make your hair, come, I go help you for my area. She dey make hair for 1,500, 2,000. So this hair now, she dey make this hair almost. You make a tramisha if on our you see, I don't like to make hair. I just make hair once in a year. And this year, I decided to go for this low cost. I'm gonna everything I go too expensive in Nigeria now. Massive they can me and can't tell me to. I feel like t-shirt. I think after 10 when I meet to 3. Hi, it's so difficult for me to sit down. Even this normal all back and made this for me. And my quota quiet not knock at all dick up from Mufu. Knock at like hit Chamora, Map Boma be sending what because to anything when I told at all no look and able to put him this one. Now behold the thing came out nice. Mother said Richard Quasica Manga, Jida, but Odirizi Ezoku. It's okay, miss you. It's for an angle. It's okay, miss you. They run. I go help you. Do one for 2,500. And okay, guys, isn't Ricky. They go to the well, my sister, okay, now who did she? It is still not what this style out because Kezaha style anyone so he's a BACI. Oh, the one you better not be simna. Still this sham a magazine. Maybe we're not 2,500. 180. Because happen one makishi 2,500. Not only in a hole to this she got the map chair for 2,500. I just sat down and was waiting for the hair to, for us to be done. When we are done, the woman was amazed and changed her own style to this side. Say she wants this particular hair of 2,000. Remember, if you want to make your hair, I go help you run and it must be around me. It must be this auntie. She makes beautiful hair around me in Lagos, Nigeria. If you want to make affordable, cute and eye-catchy hair, Biawa this side. Here the outcome. I met up with himself. I wasn't meme. On this fateful day, I went to make my hair, and I know to make hair is very difficult for me, especially all these long ones, Ghana weaving and all that, because of the time it takes and how painful my skull can be. But nevertheless, I was able to just overcome. I would say overcome because it was not really easy for me. The pains, the hot water, the fears, and at last, my hair came out nice. I wanted him almost watching for all the pains. So when I saw the bits of my hair, I forgot all the pains. Even though it's still paining me small. Did you hear me? It's still paining me small, but my shakara will overcome the pains. So if you see me on the road, dash am 2,500 because this hair actually costs 2,500 with the attachment and the braiding. Now we the runner for this side. Even him the like can't see herself as a first time customer. When they keep me 1,500 or say 2,000. Like that woman on bargaining for 2,000. Not the corruption no keep me. Because my house is just a stone throw. They go that's okay for the outcome of the hair. I can go back just like that. I will never go back. It's already too late. My hair is so beautiful. Everything said in this video is allegedly. Bye.